Welcome to our video on HIV and AIDS screening, testing, signs and symptoms, and prognosis. In the next few minutes, we will provide you with important information that can help you protect your health. Let's start by understanding the signs and symptoms of HIV or AIDS. Common sign includes persistence, fatigues, unexpected weight loss, frequent infections, and swollen lymph nodes. Early detection is crucial. That's why regular screening and testing are vital. By getting tested, you can know your HIV status and take appropriate steps to protect yourself and others. There are different methods of screening and testing for HIV or AIDS, such as blood tests, oral swabs, and rapid tests. These tests are confidential and healthcare professionals can guide you through the process. Thanks to medical advancement, there are effective treatments available for HIV or AIDS. Early treatment not only improves prognosis but also helps prevent transmission to others. It's important to remember that HIV or AIDS does not discriminate anyone, can be raised regardless of age, gender, or sexual orientation. That's why it's crucial for everyone to prioritize their sexual health. To recap, it's important to know the signs and symptoms of HIV or AIDS. Get tested regularly and seek medical help if needed. By taking this step, you are taking control of your health and well-being. If you want to learn more or need support, reach out to your local clinics and helplines. They can provide you with resources, guidelines, and confidential assistance. Remember, prioritize your sexual health is crucial. By getting tested, taking care of yourself, you are taking a proactive step forward toward a healthier future. Thank you for watching our video on HIV, AIDS screening, testing, signs and symptoms, and prognosis. Stay informed, stay empowered, and take care of yourself. Together, we can create a healthier and more compassionate world. Thank you.